Christmas, a season for dreamers. Conversation practice 1. Hey Sophie, Christmas is almost here. Have you decided on gifts for anyone yet? Not really. Honestly, I've been thinking about something else. Do you think kids these days still believe in Santa Claus? Probably not as much as we did growing up. I mean, with the internet and smartphones, even little kids can Google everything. There's not much left to the imagination anymore. Is there? Exactly. They probably figure it out pretty quickly. It's kind of sad when you think about it. No more mystery. Well, speak of that, I still like to believe in Santa Claus. Wait, seriously? You? Why would you still believe in something like that? Because I love the idea of mystery. Santa Claus, the North Pole, reindeer, the gift factory. It's such a magical world. Just imagine working in a place like that. I really wish it were real. I see what you mean. It's a feeling, isn't it? Keeping a little imagination in life is important. No, I mean it. I'd love that kind of life. It's so different. Not the same old routine we're stuck in now. Think about it. We work so hard to graduate from school, then go straight into these 9-to-5 jobs. Every day it's sitting in a cubicle, attending meetings, going home, eating a burger, and waking up to do it all over again. It feels like we're chained to this endless cycle. Even with a vacation now and then, everyone's living the same way. It makes me sad. Life should be more diverse, don't you think? Wow, I didn't realize you'd thought about this so deeply. I do, especially during Christmas, this magical season. It reminds me of my dreams. What if I could work in the North Pole? Imagine that environment, thick snow, a cozy wooden cabin, little animals as companions, and reindeer as my work partners. We'd sit by the fire, working hard on something we love. Maybe not making gifts, maybe baking cookies instead. After work, I could walk to a snowy hill, enjoy the view, feel the sky, and sense the earth breathing. That's a life worth living. Ha ha ha! Wow, Emma, you're really painting a picture here. Now, I kind of want to live in the North Pole too. See? That's the magic of Christmas. It makes you think, dream, and imagine. That's why it's my favorite time of year. You're right. Maybe Christmas isn't just for kids. It's for dreamers like you too. Conversation practice 2. Hey Ryan, Christmas is just around the corner. Have you thought about how to celebrate? Celebrate? You know I'm far from home. It's not like I can have a family gathering or anything. True, but that's even more reason to decorate your place. We need to feel the holiday spirit, don't you think? Decorate? That sounds like too much work. Besides, I'd have to take everything down in a few days. What's the point? Come on, Ryan, life needs a bit of ceremony. It's not just about the decorations, it's about creating happiness. You can't expect to feel joyful without putting some effort into it. I don't know. What would you suggest? For starters, you could get a Christmas tree. There's a market nearby selling real trees. Imagine how nice your place would look with one all lit up. Wait, real trees? I thought everyone used fake ones. Aren't they more practical? Not really. In our country, real trees are actually more eco-friendly. Most come from tree farms where they're grown just for Christmas, and after the holiday they can be composted. Fake trees, on the other hand, are made of plastic and chemicals. They're hard to recycle and don't decompose. Plus, a real tree smells amazing. Like a fresh forest in your living room. You'd love it. I didn't think of that. You might be onto something. Maybe I should check out that market. Great idea. I can even help you decorate it. I'm really good at that. Oh, speaking of decorations, I just saw a picture online of someone using keyboards to decorate their tree. The whole tree was covered in keyboards. Keyboards! That sounds like IT life gone too far. It's like the tree is screaming, "Help! I'm overworked!" Ha ha ha. Yeah, maybe we should stick to lights and ornaments instead. Exactly. Let's make your place cozy and festive. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.